Hey everyone, just thought I'd give a quick update on the Power Washed 2230. So what I've done so far is I've cleaned the controls with Deoxit products and everything cleaned up perfectly, as I'll show you in a minute. The AM antenna was broken, but a little super glue took care of that. So I mean, if you were to grab it right there, it would definitely break, but there's a sticker in there that says you're not supposed to anyways. I replaced the lamps with just used ones I had laying around from old relamp jobs. I keep the good ones just in case, you know, stuff like this comes around. And still got to redo the tuner string and get a new one of these and attach it, but for now, working just fine. And I think the results will surprise you. So now I've got some lights. FM works in stereo. Let me switch to FM for that. Ugh. Tough to switch. Yeah, FM works in stereo. We got radio. And then let's listen to everyone's favorite song. Turn that up. I mean, it sounds good. I'll turn it up loud here. So, I mean, it's working. It's working basically perfectly after cleaned controls, adding some lights so you can actually tell better what's going on. And, oh yeah, I gotta add that back. But other than the missing parts, this thing is perfect, and I honestly can't believe it's perfect after the condition it was in when I got it. Again, look how good of a job the power washer did. Everything is so clean in there. Everything looks so good. Yeah, quick note on this music. Everyone's saying I'm using the Dank Pods headphone test music, and here's the thing. I hadn't heard about Dank Pods until people started talking about it in my comments sections, and fantastic channel. Love that channel, really cool guy. I'm pretty sure he found that song the same way I did, which this is called Walk Through the Park by Track Tribe. It gets labeled in my videos. If you open up the description, it says, you know, this is the music that's playing. And this is part of the free YouTube music library. And this one stood out to me quite a bit because the audio quality is really good. I mean, you hear it. And I think that's the exact same reason Dank Pods chose it as well. It's because it's just a really nice recording and it's a simple, easy tune. You know, it works really well for what it is. So thank you so much, Track Tribe. Fantastic song. They also did Lights, that other song that I play. I'll just turn that on real quick. You know, this one I chose for the same reason. So as you can see, there's still, you know, quite a bit missing from here. I think I've got a lead on a faceplate. Not sure if that's going to work out. This piece right here, you know, the one that's got all the stations and stuff on it, that's going to be the hardest one to find. I'm going to try to make some custom knobs out of aluminum and see what those look like. I have access to a machine shop, so I might as well try. Other than that, it's moving along here. I just ordered a whole bunch of parts from Mauser, so we're going to be able to get some videos on how I go about restoring this. I want it to be reliable, and that's why we restore in 2022. So anyways, that's the update. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.